Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most exciting machines in the motocross world, the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZ25, known for its lightweight, agility, and competitive performance. The YZ25 has long been a favorite among riders who crave speed and precision on the track. The 2026 model builds on Yamaha's legacy with refinements that make it even sharper and more responsive. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this YZ125 is ready to dominate the season. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 comes with a refreshed look that emphasizes speed and agility. The bodywork is sleeker, with sharper lines and a more aggressive front fender, design that improves airflow and rider control. Graphics have been updated with bold new color schemes, and the lightweight frame and ergonomics are tuned for better rider comfort and maneuverability. Every detail, from the slim fuel tank to the refined plastics, is designed to enhance performance and style on and off the track. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ125 is its high-revving 125cc two-stroke engine, engineered for explosive acceleration and precise throttle response. Yamaha has upgraded the power valve system for smoother delivery across the rev range. The suspension has been fully revised, featuring KYB forks and a fully adjustable rear shock, giving riders superior handling and stability over jumps and rough terrain. The lightweight chassis, combined with a new exhaust and improved gearing, ensures the bike feels nimble while maintaining top-end performance. Safety and technology. Yamaha continues to focus on rider control and confidence with the 2026 YZ125. The bike features improved braking, performance with high-quality disc brakes and optimized master cylinders. Adjustable levers, enhanced grips, and fine-tuned ergonomics help riders maintain full control at high speeds. While motocross bikes don't carry infotainment, Yamaha's engineering ensures that every ride is safer and more predictable, making the 2026 YZ25 a true tool for both competitive and recreational riders. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is a standout in the motocross world thanks to its combination of lightweight design, responsive engine, and refined handling. Whether you're tearing up the track or honing your off-road skills, this bike is built to deliver performance and excitement in every ride. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the bikes that matter most.